Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the reply option to everyone can reply on the Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the reply option on your Tumblr application. So for that, first of all, click on the setting option on the top. So after clicking on the setting option, so you just need to go to the account setting first. And here you have this option called replies, and here just click on the first option. So there will be a three option here. So guys, if you are in second option like Tumblr, you follow, you are following you for a 1 week can reply like that. So you just need to change to the everyone can reply. So this allow the every users to reply for your post or your comment. But if it is on the second option or third option, there will be some conditions. So if you just need to have a reply for every users, from every users, you just select the first option and your Tumblr. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.